Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Gym. In this quick video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook page name or username.
First, switch to the Facebook page you want to edit. I've already switched into mine here. Now tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will open a menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. But to rename your Facebook page, scroll down until you find Page Setup. Once you open that, tap on Name at the top. Here you can enter your new page name. Just keep in mind, Facebook only allows a name change once every 6 days, so be sure before confirming. After typing your new name, hit Review Changes, and that's it. Your page name has been updated.
Now to update your username, just click the back icon, then tap on the username option. Type in your new username and hit the Save button. And that's it. Your page name has been updated. Guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more latest updates.